iOS 18.4 Beta 3 has been released, and in this video I'm going to be telling you all the new features and changes that this new software update has to offer. My device has already been updated to this latest version, and the first thing I want to show you is the build number that we have, which is 22E5222F. One of the first changes to highlight is that there's code within this update that suggests that Apple will soon no longer work with the old HomeKit architecture, prompting users to update to the new one that supports Matter. Within your settings, if you didn't have RCS messaging enabled, you might want to turn it on, as now more service providers are supported. With regards to Apple Intelligence, I'll be happy to let you know that Gen emoji is actually here and supported even in third-party applications such as WhatsApp, so now you can create Gen emojis of your choice. Within settings, if you go to the accessibility and then go to the touch section, and all the way down you notice you have back tap. Now it has a new section that allows you to turn on or off whether you want to show the banner. A new Apple application that was released last week is now showing up in the App Store, and that is the Apple Vision Pro app. Now you don't have to have a dedicated link, you can simply search it up and it will just show up. Live activities within applications now have the ability to utilize ultra wideband functionality in the background, which is good, and the banner will show up when one is triggered. Within the Apple Wallet application, they've now added a new subsection where if you click on the three dots, you now have an option for pre-authorized payments that you can select. If you open up the podcast application after updating, you're going to see a new splash screen or pop-up screen that's going to tell you about library widgets and followed show widget, which is something that's good. The recently added Unicode 16 emojis that are new here now show up whether you are accessing your emoji keyboard on the iPhone or on the Apple Watch. There's no need to search for the specific emoji. Within settings, if you select the camera and then go to where it says camera control, you can see now for the iPhone 16 you have the ability to turn on this press and hold to launch visual intelligence, which is something that if you have this new camera control button, you can easily turn it on just like this, but now you have another option to allow you to do that. Before I forget, that camera control feature I believe is also available on the newly released iPhone 16e devices that you see right here. The official Apple Sports application now has been updated. You can see once you download it, it's going to go through a whole background process and updating, and they have added more sports including F1 and UEFA women's as well. This update also fixes an issue where Apple Intelligence was actually not functioning until you power cycle or restart your device, which is good now.